do not use too many transition like this one. You see, this is tip number 6. Do not use too many transitions. And awkward transitions. Let's see how it works and how we put these transitions. For example, this is my thesis here, my PhD thesis, and for transitions there is a bar on the top. They have transitions. This is animation in my first video. This full tab is for animation and this is for transitions. Transition apply on the whole slide, but animation apply to a specific text, okay, and transition apply to the whole slide. Look, this slide transition, it's awkward. Look this one. Look, people will start laughing if they see like this kind of stuff you see here. So I don't know why PowerPoint put these things, but it is, I don't know, it is for something they show their expertise in. But what I recommend that please do not use these transitions, which is not, you see this one, look this one. So look this one here again. What are the decent transitions which I recommend that you should use here? Look here. If you go here and you see this one is also not fine, but if you are per introduction, this is very nice. This is a very good one. This, look now, this is not somehow, this is also not good. Look, these are fine. It makes sense little bit. This is fine here. And look here, another one, the cube one. This is a little bit decent one. You see here, but not all up slide. You just need to put per few. This one is somehow a little bit decent. This is also but less decent, and this one also a little bit decent. So I mean, use these things, but do not use these kind of things like this one you see here. I don't know, it's just not, you see, it's very, very bad. And this one is very decent now, you see. So use these transitions, but do not use the awkward one. This one is also fine here, you see, it comes, the whole slide come. This one is, so I think these are very, very well here and very fine. And if you wish to bring it vertically or horizontally, it's up to you. Here, look the vertical one now, and it's, I think both looks same. From here you can also put sound, but I don't recommend sound, and duration apply to all. And there is also advanced slides that you want to bring another one and click, or you just give time. But I think I'm not interested in this one. So this is how tip number 6 works. Do not use too many transitions, and do not use awkward transitions. That will create problem. You see here, this people will start laughing, and your audience, the main theme of your presentation, you will lose that thing. You will lose interest. People will focusing on your transitions. They will not look to the original thing. They will not listen to you. They will enjoy the transitions. The second important thing is transition wasting your time. Few transitions are fine, I do agree, but awkward transition and a lot of transition, it create problems, and maybe the panel get very, very angry that what's going on, that look these transitions. So please do not put too many transition and awkward transition. Put less transitions and very decent transitions. This is my experience, and I give the reasons that why do you give transition to everything? If it needs to give transition, and if you want to break the flow of your presentations, so the audience will take a breath, and that is the way. But if for every slide it's not going to work, and you're going to create negativity, and you're going to create problem for yourself. Okay, so this is how my tip number 6 works, and please follow these tips, and I do hope that you will improve your presentation skills. Thanks for watching.